Hey guys, today I will show you a basic weaving method that can be incorporated into your macrame or Macraweave pieces. This method is called the Soumak Weave. Let's get started. You will need to tie a row of knots. I'm using horizontal double half hitch knots here at the bottom of your work so that the woven section has something to hold it up. Using another piece of cord as your working cord, bring it in front of 4 filler cords and then behind 2 filler cords and repeat. Here's the method that I use so that I can start to work the pattern in the opposite direction. Bring your working cord in front of 4 cords, behind 4 cords, in front of 4 cords, behind 2 cords, and back to the front. Work the pattern in the opposite direction by bringing your working cord in front of 4 filler cords and then behind 2 filler cords and repeat. The result is a very pretty braid-like design. If you'd like, you can also wrap the ends on the left around the 2 leftmost filler cords. I'll show you what I mean a little later on in this tutorial. Next, I'll show you a variation to the Soumak Weave. Bring your working cord in front of 2 filler cords, then behind 1 filler cord, and repeat. To switch directions, use the same method as we did with the Merlot string, but remember that we are now working the pattern in front of 2 filler cords instead of 4 and behind 1 filler cord instead of 2. Work this pattern in the opposite direction using the same method as we did to work the 4 screen string from left to right. You can also see here how I wrap the 2 ends of the Merlot string on the left around the 2 leftmost filler cords. I'll show you the Soumak Weave one more time with wool roving. I will bring the roving in front of 4 filler cords, behind 2 filler cords, and repeat. Feel free to use yarn as a replacement. You can use thinner yarn instead of string or thicker yarn instead of roving. You could also use a combination of string, yarn, and roving. If you were to look at the back of your work, you would see loops created around filler cords. What I do is tuck the ends of the roving and string into these loops and then cut off the excess. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.